Hi everybody, here's Greensleeves Melody. This is what it's going to sound like. I'm going to start with my second finger on the second fret of the third string. Let's take a listen. Three. 1, 2, 3. Two, fourth line. 2, 3. All right, so it's on page 24 in the Blues for Beginning Guitarists book, and we're going to start with the second finger on the third string, second fret. That's a pentatonic scale note. We remember the pentatonic scale? And we're going to use all the fingers for the pentatonic scale notes that we do there, here on Greensleeves. So, play the first note. We're using rest strokes down here and alternation, walking with the fingers. And we got second fret, and then there's a 1 on the second string. Get good at those first two notes. Keep going. Then add the third note, the third fret on the second string. And that's a pentatonic scale note, so we're getting that with the fourth finger. Get good at the first three notes. If you look in that first full measure in the top line on page 24, there's an extra space after the 1, which means we hold on to it longer. We haven't learned half notes and quarter notes yet. I really just want you to play this piece by ear. But if we're tapping, 2. Get the idea. So try that for a minute. 2, 1, 3, 0, 1, 0. So 2, 1, 3, 0, 1, 0. Play that much. All right, so here it is again. Let's play together. Ready, go. 3, 0, 1, 0. And one more time. Ready, go. 2, 1, 3, 0, 1, 0. And then another 3. That's going to be second string with your pinky. And then open second, open third. So let's get those 3 notes. Second string, third fret, open, open. So we're halfway across the first line. Ready, begin. 1, 3, 0, 1, 0, then 3, second string, open, open third. All right, try it for a minute. Here we go. Let's try it together. That far. Ready, go. 2, 1, space. 3, space. Open, open. And then we have a 2, 1, 2, 2. First fret, second. That's the end of the first line except for the last note, which is the second fret on the third string, but with the third finger. Do you see that teeny weeny little 3 up above that last note on the first line? That means third finger. We just used the second finger here, so the third finger works better here. That's a good point of technique. Not to have to hop a finger across strings. Let's do the whole first line. Ready, go, slow. Note. Second line starts the same as the first. And the second line. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, third line. 2, 3. 2, 3, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2, 3. Fourth line. 1, 2, 3. Hey, that's Greensleeves Melody. Good luck with that. I'll see you soon.